to stop by and just share with you guys something that has really helped me to grow my nails. Of course, it's Color Street, but I know many of you ladies out there was just like me about a year ago. I've tried so many different things, like nail strengthener. I tried, all those things that they say, like those bitter things that you put in your mouth. I tried putting hot sauce, and it would just burn my lips. And if you're one of those, try Color Street. Color Street has helped so many ladies who have really short nails. Share some pictures of before and afters, and you will see. I mean, some of them were like me, and just biters, and now they are beautiful and long, and it's so much more feminine. I just love seeing the before and after pictures of these nails, and I believe it's because, first of all, you have when you have some color in your nails, there's just something about wanting to stay that way, that because it looks pretty. So you don't want to ruin it by biting it or picking on it. You're like, this looks really pretty, took my time to do it, I want it to last, I'm just going to not put this in my mouth and ruin it. This Color Street is it's like 3-in-1. There is the base coat, there is the color, and then there's the top coat. So it's a nice strip that strengthens your nails. Every time I take it off and I kind of, in between colors and I don't know which one to wear, I end up breaking a nail. I mean, that's exactly what happened with my middle one here. I had it off, didn't know which one I want to wear because I was actually waiting for the Hits and Makeup to come in, and it took one day, got caught on something, and it broke. And I was like, are you serious? So it's actually one of those things that it just makes your nails stronger by having it. And I know my mother-in-law, actually, she wears just clear as day sometimes because it helps her nails not to break. So when she doesn't want any color, she just puts that clear strip and it makes them stronger. If you feel like I've tried everything and it just doesn't work, I stop biting for a little bit, but then it comes right back, give it a try. I would say give it a few months. Let's go for like 3 months, because I see like the before and after pictures are usually about 2-3 months. So why don't you give Color Street 3 months trial, and you will see how it's gonna go from tiny to nice, beautiful, stronger nails. So let me know, for those who already done that. Let's say you used to be one that, I feel like when you're a nail biter, you never really stop being a nail biter. Like, I wear Color Street, but as soon as it's out, I want to. So especially if I'm watching like a show or something intense, and I'm there like watching a movie. But if you have tried everything and you feel like I've never actually given this Color Street a try that. Put on some Color Street, switch it every week, 10 days, switch colors, and let me know what happens in 3 months. 2 months if you see it's already changing. And if you are one of those who already is doing that, you're a nail biter, wearing Color Street's working for you, please share pictures with me. Comment below, let me know how you're doing, how you like it. And that's it. I love going back and reading comments because it just makes me feel like, yes, this is why I do this. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this was helpful. Get your nails beautiful.